Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. It is Thursday, January 22nd. If you're joining us today, hallelujah, that's the good news. Any day above ground is a blessed day. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right. Welcome, everybody. Try to get my camera. It seems like my camera's pointed the other way today. All right. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. Thursday, January 22nd. At 8:30, we had final GDP. We'll take a look and see what that was in just a moment. We had the unemployment claims at 8:30. Final GDP, 10 o'clock. We've got a red folder, the PCE, Price Index. PCE, Price Index. Let me move this down just a touch. Trying to get used to this new computer. All right. The PCE Price Index, month over month. And we have a couple of yellow folder reports coming out that aren't going to have a high impact. That core PCE at 10. Please don't let me forget. You got it, George. I got him up and running. So let's take a look and see what the news was. GDP, third quarter. U.S. economy grew at the fastest pace in 2 years in the third quarter, fueled by consumer spending. GDP, third quarter, 3.8%. Wow. At an annual increase at an annual rate of 4.4% in the third quarter. Wow. Amazing. Very good. Good news. Oh, unemployment. Unemployment insurance weekly claims. An increase of 1,000 from the previous week. Not a big change. All right. If today's your first day joining us, welcome. My name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading. We're going to be showcasing our automated bots. And we're going to be running the AI Auto Trader, the iBots, and let me see if I can get this camera right. Okay, sorry. The AI Auto Trader, the iBots, and the Revo. We're going to be trading them all. We have a great feature called the Best Bots that will simultaneously scan them all. I need to get the Revo Best Bot, but I've got the iBot Best Bot and the AI Best Bot. And it will automatically scan the best performing NQ or ES bot and just trade that bot. We let the bots run pre-market, and we get what we call a leaderboard. The leaderboard, these I refer to as the what have you done for me latelys. What have you done for me lately? If you made money 2 weeks ago or maybe a month ago, well, we were very grateful then. But we need to get to the winner's circle today. Today being the key word. We got to get there today. We need a vehicle, one of these bots, to get us there. Those best bots will automatically select your most profitable bot and just trade that one bot. That's one way we could do it. Okay. So our leaderboard this morning, we've got the ES Scalper, which crushed it yesterday. The ES Scalper is running on an 8-unit Renko. Very ambitious profit target. The Revo ES30 is actually in a trade now. Let's take a look at that trade on the Revo ES30. The Revo is leveraging our money flow tracker system. The indicators that are part of the money flow tracker. It's all the way on the bottom. Revo. ES30. Here we go. We got 1 minute till the market's open. I've been playing the AI NQ Leapfrog, but let's see what the market environment looks like. If we look at the overall trading environment since yesterday, wow, it's been a real roller coaster. A lot of volatility. These bots love it. Here was midnight. The session closed yesterday, 6 p.m. We've taken a big leg up. Does the market retrace back down to the 50? Or does it continue its trek up? We will find out shortly. A lot of volatility. These bots love it. Here we go. There's the bell. Good luck, everybody. We're going to wait for the market to settle down here for just a few moments. ES Scalper. NQ Best Spot. The Leapfrog. Getting a bit of a retracement at the opening bell. Market doesn't like those gaps. It's going to look to fill in that gap from overnight. Boy, this ES looks like it's going to head to the moon. This ES is really looking like a really nice long play. Let's see if it breaks through resistance. Good morning, Rao. Thanks for joining us. Good morning. Good morning, George. Good morning, Mike. Is the ES Scalper the 8U Scalper Leapfrog? It is. It is, George. Profit target's a little more ambitious. It broke through resistance on the E-mini. You know what I'm going to do? Because I have a, well, let's let things play out just a little bit. It's 9:32. Usually there's a correlation in direction between the NASDAQ and the S&P. Today is not correlating just yet. Let's see where our 20-unit Renko is. Below the 50, headed down. I'm going to look to get into a trade on this ES. I'm going to try to stop it out. ES Scalper. Oh, I did the wrong one. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. This is the one I meant to stop out. Scalper's already up 725. We're bouncing off of support on the NASDAQ. I don't know why my camera looks so like I'm on a close-up. I'll have to play with it afterwards. Let's see if we get a break of support. I'm gonna anticipate the break of support on this 30 range and play the AI leapfrog. Seems to be some selling pressure on this NASDAQ. It's going to retest it. Okay, we're in short. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Come on down. Okay, we're in the window. We're in the leapfrog. Keep on pushing down. One more leapfrog. One more. Push down. One more leapfrog. Go ahead. All right. Got a $200 winner and a 200 and 175. Appears to want to take another leg down. Let's see if we can catch one more move to the downside. Keep an eye on the leaderboard. Okay, leapfrog jumped in long. We're on the sideline watching this one. Could get in on this ES scalper long. If the market continues to move up here, I've got the ES scalper enabled. Looking for a long move. Got an exit on the line change on the NQ. Let's see if we get a bounce off the 50. ES scalper's up 700. This thing's going to take off long. Let's try to get into a long move. I always like to see where my 20U is. It's right at the 50. Okay, we just got in the ES8U. Let's see if we get a leapfrog long too. No, you know what? I don't want to be too aggressive. Let's go easy here. We just need a few more ticks to the upside. Come on, one good, nice push up. Let's go. Go ahead. Let's keep an eye on the leaderboard. Come on up. The leapfrog went short. Just got a little too much risk on this trade for me. Hey, good morning, Jim. I'm sorry I missed you yesterday. I meant to call you back and I got tied up, but let's get together today, Jim. Come on, I need this market to pop to the upside. You may have missed the update this weekend, Mike. In Discord, we released a update on the AI Auto Trader. We've streamlined our portfolio, reduced it down to 10 bots, including our best bots. Okay, let's not panic on this ES trade. Let's hang in there. Oh, jeez. Now we gotta panic. Oh, 10 o'clock. We've got the red folder report coming out. We're right at the VWAP. Let's hope we bounce off that VWAP and come all the way back up. Come on up. Oh, went short. Ay, ay, ay. See if we can catch a long here. Yes, for sure. For sure, George. Oh, no. Want it to go long. I keep getting into a short trade. My 20U is set up for a long. I'm in a counter trend on my 30 range. I think what I'm going to do is adjust that leapfrog and put it on the power play setting. Let me disable this for a moment. What I want to do is I only want to take long trades when my 20 Unirenko is above the 50. So I'm going to, oh, it is enabled. Well, today is the last day of the Apex 80% sale. I might need a few new evals. See if we can get a short here. We got some running room to the downside if it breaks through breaks through support. Come on down. Let's go. Come on down. See if we can get in a short move here. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Oh, man almighty. Make sure everything's enabled. Yep. Yep. Oh, wow. Somehow I didn't get into this trade. Wow. Okay, that leaderboard is starting to come to life here. Come on, pop me in short. Better late than never. Oh, man. For some reason, it's not taking trades. Let's go for the Mack truck. NQ Mack truck. Wow. Yeah, that Mack truck has been really good for me too. Yesterday we caught a really nice move, a bounce long actually. Let's see if we can get back in the game here. We need to push right up through that 50 on the Mack truck. We've got a red folder report coming up at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Here we go. This Mack truck could tick in right here. If this continues to the upside, it's going to put us in that Mack truck trade. Could put us right in this leapfrog as well. Drones. They're all drones. And the best spots, I'm answering Tony C's question. The streamlined portfolio is of drones. And the best spot technology will copy the best drone. This iBot NQ Best Bot is trading the NQ30, it appears. Nope. It would have taken that trade. Need one nice big push up right here. We got 6 minutes till the report. I'm gonna have to disable in just a few moments. Very close to getting into the Mack truck trade. Just need one more push up. And the leapfrog. Come on, let's go. Take off. Take off. Let's go. Well, no, that's not true. The set it and forget it would be trading the best spot, right? Here we go. We're in short. We're in short. Let's see if we can get a continuation down. Need some follow through the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Let's go. Get in my window. Don't come back. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes for the news report. Come on down. Push down. Let's go. Some follow through now. Come on. Come on down. Push down. All right. The risk came off the 30 range. Now I just need to get into my leapfrog here. Risk is off the 20U. Give me some follow through. Come on. Push down. There we go. A little more. Let's turn off the leapfrog. Let's see if we can get this Mack truck to run. We got 4 minutes for the news report to come out. All right, let's disable. If you play the best spot, Tony, it's going to trade the most profitable bot, which is a set and forget it strategy, right? It's dynamically changing itself to trade the most profitable bot. So you don't have to sit in front of it and try to choose. I'm watching gold out of the corner of my eye. This is gold. Gold is up to $4,840 an ounce. Trying to hit 5,000. We've got a red folder report coming out in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Core PCE. Price index month over month. This could be another trade, a break of this area of support. We've got some ground to make up. Oop. Let's turn that off. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Red folder report. High impact news coming down. Coming through. We're going to go till 10:30. I got Savvy Trader coming up behind me at 10:30 and professional options trader David Wise at 11:30. Got a real great day of trading planned. Maybe we'll have a catalyst event right here at 10 o'clock with the CPE. PCE, excuse me. Price index, PCE. There it comes. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Getting a pop to the upside now. Maybe it was good news. Let's let it settle down. Try to catch the news report. Let's turn the Mack truck on. Let's get the leapfrog back. Need a break of support. I'm going to anticipate the break. We got some selling pressure here. Come on down. I'm anticipating the break of this pivot. Needed to break out of this compression zone. Pop to the downside. Come on down. Come on, let's get a break. Let's get a break. Looking for a break of support here short. Come on, breakthrough. The sniper's up 1,000. We got a sideways moving market here. Curious what the news was. Come on down. Come on down. A lot of buyers sitting right there. 25,550. Which way does this thing break? Could go either way. Let's try to catch it long. Let's see where our 20U is. Oh, we're looking at the 20U. It's below the 50. Gonna retest support. $700 contracts a minute. Let's keep an eye on the volume here. I'd like to see it crank up to 2,000 or 3,000. There's 1,000. Here's a push. Here we go. The 20U jumped. Let's see if the 30 range goes with the break. We need the break. Come on, back down. Let's give it a little room here. I got a feeling this thing's going to break support. Come on down, break. Ah, they're trying. They can't get through. Might have just double bottomed right there. Another test. Come on, breakthrough. Let's go. Let's take a ride. This thing's going to reverse. This thing is going to pop to the upside. Got caught in the wrong direction. Come on down. Retest it. Ah. Come on, breakthrough. Breakthrough. got stopped out. Woo. I'm going to let these two evals play out. I really thought it was going to break support, but it didn't. Oops. I don't know what's with this. Going to come down and retest it. See what the news was. Flash consumer confidence indicator, U.S. personal income. Well, the market may have found the bottom right there. Excuse me. Core PCE is what I was curious of what the report was. Actual 0.2%. ES 6900, George. Let's take a quick look at the E-mini. Looks like it's going to retest support again. Okay, Mack Truck's back in long. Let's see if the leapfrog follows suit. Come on up. I think this leapfrog fell asleep on me. Oh, it just went in short. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. A breakthrough for once. Break right through. Come on. Come on. Push through it. Okay, keep going now. Need a runner. Need a runner. Push down. Ah, right at my loss limit. Right at the loss limit on these two evals. Today's the last day on that Apex 80% sale. I think it's $39 for $50,000 accounts right now. And what I wanted to show was Apex's rules on automated bots. Let's see if I can find it. Excuse me. Got a lot of people asking about, oop, shoot. This is Apex's guidelines on automated bots. Um, any type of hands-off, set it and forget it, set and walk away trading, including systems that run continuously 24 hours a day, is strictly prohibited. Up top it says automation is strictly prohibited on PA and live accounts. Any form of AI, Autobots, algorithms, fully automated trading systems, and high-frequency trading strategies. These types of systems that trade without active human intervention are strictly prohibited. Let me turn this off. So what they don't want you to do, and they're going to ask you if you earn a payout, they're going to ask you about your strategy. And you sure don't want to tell them that you're using a set it and forget it or walk away from trading strategy. They want you right in front of these bots if you're using them. If you're using the type of automation that's hands off, set it and forget it, or set it and walk away, it's going to be a forfeiture of all your funds and balances. Now, they go on to say that semi automated software can be used. It must be actively monitored by the trader at all times. This means the trader must be present and actively managing the trades, making adjustments based on market conditions, news events, and other factors. So pretty much what we're doing right now during these live streams is what they consider semi-automated because we're right in front of it. We have the ability to change the parameters of our strategies, our trade management features. It's not a black box system, a high frequency trading system. We have total control over the trade management and the conditions that create an entry. So the software should assist in executing trades based on predefined rules, but the trader must remain in control, overseeing every aspect of the trading process, which is exactly what we're doing here. It's also advised to turn off or pause the semi-automated software when market conditions aren't ideal and when a trade setup isn't clear, um, which is what you see me doing with my trade copier. When I see that the market conditions are choppy or we're headed into an area of support or resistance, what I do is I turn my copier on and off. Okay, that's their definition of semi-automated. So Apex does allow strategies, automated strategies. What they don't allow is for you to enable something and set it and forget it and let it run continuously without your intervention or oversight. They're very clear on what they do allow. So I thought that would be interesting information, helpful information to share if you're running these bots. I believe that I've lost these two eval accounts. Maybe not the second one, but I think the first one, yes. So I will have to partake in a couple of new evals today. It was a pretty rugged trading environment. We got stuck on that area of support and just never did break through it. Mike, why don't you give me a call when we're done? Okay. Why does it freeze Ninja Trader? I don't believe that to be the real Mike. We have a cyber stalker that's him speaking. He likes to impersonate our members. All right, we're going to go for another 5 minutes. Give me a call once the live stream is over, Mike. George said it's nice to see how the Revo avoids the chop. My NQ30's been on the top of the leaderboard all day. Mack Truck is back in. Mack Truck is in. Leapfrog is in. Let's see if this one takes off long. Last trade of the day, everybody. Let's see if we get some follow through to the upside. It's been a pretty tight ranging market this entire session. The first hour of the market has been very ranging, very narrow range. A lot of sideways action in this session. If I open up my chart and we take a look at the first hour, at the open, we had a nice move down. And once 20 minutes into the session at 9:50, it's been a pretty sideways, miserable market. You can see the range of it right here. That's not to say that it's going to be a ranging day all day. That could change quick. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. Thank you for joining me today. Tomorrow, I won't be here. Tomorrow's Miller time. God willing, Mark Miller's going to be in the hot seat. I've got a dental procedure that I'll be partaking in. And hopefully I make it out of there alive. Oh, man. Yeah, it was a rough day, Gerald. It was the conditions were pretty tough today. I blew out the 2 evals, but you know what? I'm going to replace them. It was a total of $80, and be back tomorrow and go full steam ahead. Have a great day, everybody. Yeah, George, I'm in deep tomorrow, my friend. I got a big procedure. I've been putting it back and putting it back, but my day has come to face the music. And last time I was there, the dentist, they were calling in all the assistants, looking at my mouth. You're like, wow, look at this. You got to see this guy. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Remember, we got Savvy Trader right behind me at 10:30 and Mr. David Wise at 11:30.